مرحبا، أهلا وسهلا في هذا الفيديو اللي راح نشوف فيه أكثر كلمات وردت في امتحان الآيلتس الاستماع، وكان كتابتها صعبة على الطلاب. فهذه ال50 كلمة راح تكون في شكل فيديوهات قصيرة، كل 10 كلمات مع بعضها حتى يسهل تذكرها، لعل وعسى تتكرر وتقدر انك تكتبها. يلا نبدأ مع بعض.
IELTS Dictation Lecture 1. Urban Growth and Services. Good afternoon, everyone. Today's lecture focuses on the ways rapid development has influenced our lives over the past century. This process has changed jobs, transport, and even family routines. Cities that once relied on small industries now face the challenges of large-scale expansion and environmental stress. All these shifts have deeply affected the modern environment that surrounds us every day. Over the past 50 years, the expansion of cities has demanded improved transportation systems to move goods and people efficiently from one area to another. Governments have invested heavily in roads, rail, and air networks, yet the growing population continues to place pressure on housing, energy, and water supply. Another area affected is advertisement, because modern life depends heavily on media and marketing. In large cities, housing shortages have made suitable accommodation more expensive, particularly for students and young professionals who arrive each year looking for a place to stay. To manage these pressures, city planners rely on communication between local authorities and private companies to share data and coordinate projects. Effective technology helps residents receive accurate updates and information about upcoming transport changes or community events. Technology also shapes urban life. Online platforms for housing and transport have transformed how citizens interact with the government and report local issues or request services. Digital education campaigns now promote eco-friendly behavior, such as cycling, recycling, and reducing waste at home. In summary, urban growth brings both opportunity and responsibility. Understanding these connections helps us design sustainable cities for the next generation.